Welcome to my channel. Vegetable cutlet or veg patties is a delicious snack made with mixed boiled vegetables. These cutlets are cooked with very little oil and therefore they make a very super healthy recipe. Let's quickly see the ingredients. 1 chopped onion, 1 bowl of chopped carrot, 1 bowl of chopped beetroot, half a bowl of green peas, few corns, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, chopped coriander leaves, 2 big size potatoes, 1 tablespoon red chili powder, 1 tablespoon garam masala, half tablespoon dhania powder, half tablespoon jeera powder, 1 tablespoon of amchur powder, salt as per your taste, oil for cooking, and 1 cup rava for coating. Take a cooker vessel and add all vegetables like carrot, beetroot, green peas and corns to it. Add some water in pressure cooker. Place the vessel in the pressure cooker and cover it with lid. Above it add potatoes. You can cut potatoes into pieces before adding it to cooker. Cook in pressure cooker for 3 whistles. Let the vegetables cool down. Then take a pan and heat it on a medium flame and add 2 tablespoons of oil. Add chopped onions. Saute for 2 minutes. Add ginger garlic paste. Saute for 2 minutes. Add all boiled vegetables now and mix them. At this time, add all the spices and mix the vegetables once again. Smash the boiled potatoes and add them to the veggies. Mix it well. All the moisture from the veggies should be absorbed. The mixture should be non-sticky. Finally add the chopped coriander and mix it for the last time. Take the mixed vegetable into a separate vessel and let it cool down for 10-15 minutes. Take small portions of this and make patties. This recipe is made with very few spices to retain the original taste of beetroot and carrot. Then coat the patty with rava. You can even use breadcrumbs for this. Repeat doing this for all the patties and place them on a plate. For frying, heat 3 tablespoons oil in a pan or tawa. Keep the flame medium or low. Place the beetroot tikki and begin to shallow fry. Fry them till they turn golden brown on both sides. This crispy and tasty veg patties can be made as evening snacks and best to serve them with tomato ketchup and green chutney. Kindly like, share and subscribe our channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching.